The world seems to be a much quieter place now. Nature is healing itself. Wild animals are enjoying free time from human intervention. The earth is breathing again. But this is all temporary. Our reckless tendencies have harmed nature in many ways. Greedy industries have cut down forests, poured poison into our rivers, turned cities into gas chambers. Now is the time to think above the greed of power. Before devouring resources, think of our next generation. Like nature, we need to heal our soul and work together to build a better world, a happier world, a greener world, because this is our only world, our only home.